We're Restoration Robotics. We are the makers of the ARTAS robotic hair restoration system. Over 1.2 billion men suffer from hereditary baldness. Patients today are demanding a less invasive option. Medical robots are exploding across the market. In this video, we're going to be showing you the world's only fully integrated, comprehensive robotic hair restoration platform. With our new IX system, it works in front of itself. It goes out, it finds those grafts, it dissects them individually one by one with a high level of precision. These hair follicles are small. We're talking 0.7 of a millimeter. This is a breakthrough technology. It knows exactly which hair follicle it's going to take. We're the only robotic technology in the world that can perform harvesting and simultaneous recipient site making and implantation. So two people are actually working in and around the robot. Very, very sophisticated. We've established a new clinical workflow that actually helps to reduce fatigue and shorten procedure times. Everything you do needs to be in a purposeful way with high precision to get the end result. I'm proud to say we at Restoration Robotics are the world leader in providing robotic hair restoration procedures. Thank you all very much for your time.